Sushri Anusuya Uike becomes 18th Governor of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren congratulates, says Manipur will see great progress. Bus second driver killed, driver critically injured as their vehicle toppled into roadside field at Sekmai along Imphal-Dimapur highway. And Manipur gears up G20 events. Local fishermen community members carry out cleanliness drive at Takmu Lake. Hello and welcome. You're watching IS English News and I'm Ruby WUNGKHAI with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Sushri Anusuya Uike has been appointed as the new Governor of Manipur. She succeeds La Ganeshan, who has been appointed as the new Governor of Nagaland. President of India, Draupadi Murmu, had made appointments of 30 new governors. Sushri Anusuya Uike hails from Chhindwara in Madhya Pradesh. She was the 6th Governor of Chhattisgarh from July 16, 2019 to February 12, 2022, prior to becoming the 18th Governor of Manipur. Sushri Anusuya Uike was elected to the Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly from Damoya in the 1985 Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly election as a member of the Indian National Congress. She became Minister for Women and Child Development in Arjun Singh cabinet. By 1998, she had crossed over to BJP and was its losing candidate in 1998 Assembly election from Damoa. She became a member of Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh in 2006. Other new appointments in Northeast India included Lieutenant General Kaivalya Trivikram Pranayak as the new Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, Lakshman Prasad Acharya as new Governor of Sikkim, Gulab Chand Kataria as new Governor of Assam, and Pagu Chauhan as the new Governor of Meghalaya. According to a press note issued by the President of India, the appointments will take effect from the dates they assume charge of their respective offices. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has congratulated Sushri Anusuya Uike on being appointed as the new Governor of Manipur. Biren also congratulated La Ganeshan, who is now appointed as the new Governor of Nagaland. The Chief Minister took to Facebook and Twitter to extend best wishes to both the governors. He also exuded confidence that Manipur will see great progress under Sushri Anusuya Uike's leadership. Meanwhile, a second driver of a bus was killed while the driver sustained critical injuries after the vehicle in which they were traveling ceded off the road and plunged into a roadside field at Sekmai along Dimapur-Imphal highway today. The deceased has been identified as Sagolsem Angauton, aged 18 years old, son of S. Ahing of Uchiwa, while the injured driver was identified as Naurem Bijain, son of N. Ibomcha of Loitang Kuno Maning Lekai. The injured driver has been rushed to RIMS. The road mishap occurred around 6 this morning. Sources say that the bus bearing registration number MN012127 coming from Paidinga side towards Kangpokpi reportedly met with a self-accident at Sekmai Nongthomban area under Sekmai police station along the National Highway 2. It is suspected that the bus might have lost control and toppled into the field. Locals immediately informed the police about the incident. Subsequently, a team of Sekmai police station arrived and inspected the crash site. The police later picked up the body and shifted to RIMS morgue for post-mortem. Manipur is all set to host G20 events. In view of the forthcoming summit slated to be held in the state this month, local fishermen community members carried out a cleanliness drive at Takmu Lake, a part of Loktak Lake. Weeds, grasses and biomass were removed from the lake. Loktak Development Authority lauded the fishermen for their active participation and said that only through such participations and coordination, safeguarding of the precious Loktak Lake and its associated wetlands will be possible. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has also expressed his sincere gratitude to the local fishermen community members for cleaning Loktak Lake and supporting the upcoming G20 summit. The Chief Minister also referred to the migratory bird coming to Loktak Lake and said that cleaning and maintaining the Loktak Lake will make it a great habitat for animals and migratory birds. Meanwhile, Chairman of Loktak Development Authority, LDA, Ashni Kumar Moirangthem also lauded the LDA officials for reviewing the cleaned up and beautification work along Sendra Road ahead of the G20 events in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren recently visited Moirang Kuno to oversee preparations for the ensuing G20 events. G20 events will be held on February 17th and 18th at different venues in Manipur. The main venue would be held at City Convention in Imphal East. Manipuri Satya Parisad, Jiribam celebrated Golden Jubilee today at the conference hall of Jiri Ima Meira Paibi Apunba Loop, a book Wakchingi Nonglik written by Joy Sankar Haishnam was released during the event. Manipuri Satya Parisad, Jiribam's publication Jiri Lekol was also released on the occasion. Moirangthem Chura Mohan Ningsing Satya Award was presented to the writer Sarat Thokjom. Moirangthem Ongbi Madhumati Ningsing Satyagi Award was conferred on author Ngathem Himabati, and the Thokjom Doya Nithi Ningsing Nata Sankritan Award was also given to writer Kumabam Chingkai during the event. The program also witnessed a poetry competition moderated by L. Shruti Kumar and N. Bijaya. Eminent writer from Hoja in Assam, L. Shruti Kumar, President of Manipuri Satya Parisad, Jiribam, the Panthoy, member of Central Executive Committee under Assam Manipuri Satya Parisad, Assam Thangjam Birendro, eminent writer from Garibont in Assam, Moirangthem Dev and Parisad members attended the celebration. The proscribed Socialist Revolutionary Party, Soripa, has condoled the untimely demise of President of the Banned Revolutionary People's Front, Iringbam Chaurent, who passed away on February 10th. A press release from the outfit's chairman, Toijam Ibocho, commended Chaurent for his prestigious role and invaluable sacrifice for the welfare of the people and a united Manipur. He said that Chaurent's demise will be an irreparable loss to the revolutionary movement in the state. The Sorepa chairman said that cadres of the outfit also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed leader. Students of Kumbi Upper Primary School, led by their headmaster Kangembam Indra Kumar, carried out the weekly Sunday campaign today. The campaign was held for the 55th time ahead of the upcoming G20 summit. Speaking on the sideline of the drive, K.H. Indra Kumar said that the campaign aims to raise awareness about cleanliness among the people and to maintain cleanliness and hygiene in the surrounding areas. Over 100 students of the school participated in the drive, which began from Kumbi Market and covered Moirang Kuno Market, Shanghai Ethnic Park Route, and nearby areas. The garbage collected during the drive was disposed of properly using a
Kongchan asi yang kaya mangarak suba Sunday campaign mengkon ba Sunday kuning left na sasaba gumba kongchat amani aduga hoji ngasi February kita sara treta dina gram pon tawada sangai festival di sigula ba sangai sneak park ka patoko de ba G20 ki mi famsi ki mangoi na leiriba surrounding asida leiriba lambi ki nak yet leiriba akoi amol akai ki satam sing plastic ki satam sing asi akoi na school commission ng upper primary school ki mayo sing akoi na punna masida sengdok pa loktok pa mari tarutanan ba ama mafam among oibi yanan na ba kitang mading Masida ako'y lakadoriba, doon na takiri ki lakadoriba, ako'y gilusindat kaya ama, ako'y na haraw-haraw kaya tiyang pokto na, sigumlaba, darut.
Now let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back.
Go Aviator Academy, mapung fa na aviation tamna na bagi mafam. Experience layraba sing na takpi tambiri. Lengsin bilaksi ay ko'y pun na taminarasi. Cabin crew amadi ground staff ki mangnganbu mapung fahan na nabagidamag same saraba coursing.
Welcome back. Pre-production ceremony of Mami Artists Association Manipuri Sumang Lila Panthung na Ngairi was held at Toy Toy Adventure Park Hall in Samuro today. The Sumang Lila is written by Bich Gupta Laishram and directed by Narendra Ningomba. It is produced by K.H. Inauba. Sumang Lila artists Danny, Joseph, R.K. Sanaton, Narendra Ningomba, Sankar are in the lead roles of the play. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Rupa Chandra Yumnam, Impact News Editor Raj Nongthombam, many artists and people took part in the event. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, Bashikong Mandal to organize RSS Pariche Varga at Bashikong Bazaar today. Speaking at the event, Saririk Pramukh of RSS Manipur Pranda Vinanda Kundrakpam recalled the efforts and contribution of RSS founder Kesav Baliram Hechwar. He said that RSS was established in 1925, adding that it has become one of the largest voluntary organizations in the world. He said that RSS came into existence in Manipur in 1965 and asserted that the Sangh has been working for the welfare of the people and the state ever since its inception. He maintained that RSS will complete 100 years of service to the people in 2025. Many people took part in the program. Now the sports news. Bengaluru FC extended their winning streak to 6 games in the Indian Super League ISL after a 1-0 victory over arch rivals Kerala Blasters at Sri Kantirava Stadium. Roy Krishna netted his 5th goal of the season as his team jumped from 7th to 5th on the table and a point clear of FC Goa and Odisha FC. Having set up the longest winning streak in ISL history, Bengaluru FC will play the newly crowned league winners Mumbai City FC next on February 15 to try and solidify their playoff chances. Meanwhile, Kerala Blasters are yet to confirm their playoff qualifications this season and will have a chance to do that in their next game against ATK Mohan Bagan on February 18th. India will be going up against the arch rivals Pakistan in the Group B match of the ongoing Women's T20 World Cup at the Newlands, Cape Town today. The Harmanpreet Kaur-led side will be coming to this clash after defeating Bangladesh in their warm-up match by 52 runs. Meanwhile, Pakistan also defeated Bangladesh but lost against South Africa by 6 wickets. India and Pakistan women's cricket team have faced each other several times in T20 international matches. India holds the upper hand with 11 wins out of 16 matches, while Pakistan has won 5 matches. In T20 World Cup, India and Pakistan have faced each other 3 times, with India winning all 3 encounters. When it comes to the highest scorer in matches between India and Pakistan, Indian opener Smriti Mandhana holds the record with 217 runs in 7 innings, including 1 century and 2 half-centuries. As for the highest wicket taker, Indian spinner Poonam Yadav holds the record with 10 wickets in 7 innings, including 2 3-wicket hauls. The headlines once again. Sushri Anusuya Uike becomes 18th Governor of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthomba Birin congratulates, says Manipur will see great progress. Bus second driver killed, driver critically injured as their vehicle topples into roadside field at Sekmai along Imphal-Dimapur highway. And Manipur gears up for G20 events. Local fishermen community members carry out cleanliness drive at Takmu Lake. Now that is all we have for now. Thank you for watching IS News. Have a good evening.